Today you will share partnership profit by capital times time, not by cash alone. SSC CGL loves the trap of ranking partners by who put in more money. By the end, you will write every partner's capital times months, read the profit ratio from those products, then hand out each share of the total profit. Before any arithmetic, name what stays fixed and what changes. The total profit is one pool to divide. Capitals and months change who earns how much claim. The addable quantity is each capital times months product, not the cash number alone. Watch the opening move. Write capital times months or days, any common unit for every partner. That product is the partner's weight. Never skip the time factor when the months differ. Carry that idea forward. The profit ratio is exactly the ratio of those capital times time products. Cancel a common factor if it helps. The claim order never arises from capital alone once times differ. Here is the decision rule. Each allocation is that partner's weight over the sum of weights times total profit. Lock the formula after the weights exist. Never invent a share from cash ranks. Form A's and B's capital times months weights before sharing rupee 2,700. A's weight equals 12000 times 12. This gives 144000. Match the products, red 1, and allocate B's half of rupee 2,700. A's weight equals 12000 times 12 equals 144000. B's weight equals 18000 times 8 equals 144000. Profit ratio, A, B equals 144000. 144000 equals 1. B's share equals 1 divided by 2 times 2,700 equals rupee 1,350. Rupee 1,350. The trap. Higher capital for a shorter time can match lower capital for a longer time. Always form the product before you compare. The exam trap is simple. Higher capital for a shorter time can match lower capital for a longer time. Always combine before you compare. Here the products matched, so the profit split evenly even though the cash put in did not. Pause. In a fresh capital times time partnership question, which quantity must you identify before any arithmetic? The answer is each partner's capital times time weight, not the raw cash amounts to compare. Choosing the weight up front prevents ranking partners by capital alone when times differ. You can now share partnership profit by capital times time, form each weight, read the ratio, then allocate from the total. Comment below with one step that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next partnership follow-up lands in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill capital times time questions while this is fresh.